So I was just playing some video games, and this is what I see outside. That is crazy. A lot of snow. Alright, that's it. And before this video is over, this is like 8 to 12 inches of snow. Alright.